letter, I kept reaching the capacity of my machine because it's only 16 inches. So I had to cut out part of it, part of the inside, and then switch around which direction I was cutting. And then eventually I was able to get the whole thing cut out. So that is what you do when you reach the capacity of your saw. I'll continue on cutting out my insides and then come back to show you the outside. I've already cut most of this side out, so I'm just going to put tape on that so I can keep the stability of my sign. Taping the top and the bottom. This is something that I saw on Oak Feather Decor on her channel, and it was very beneficial to my scrolling. So here I am gonna continue on cutting the outside. I finished cutting the name out, loosening my blade tension. And here we go. I'm going to take off my tape. So remember, I cut inside of this. When I first started scrolling, I would make all of these relief cuts and try to cut off as much of the sign as possible, but then I would have these weak spots in my sign. So I saw a YouTuber suggest that instead of making all the relief cuts, to make pilot holes and then use tape on the parts that you're done with to keep the sign together, so that way you have the stability of your piece until you're all done. So this tape is still holding it in on the back. Pro tip, don't get dust on your tape because you will have a hard time getting it to stick. So let me pull this name sign out for you guys. There she is. Okay. Some nice edges. I'm using a number 5 blade, a number 5 pinless blade on my scroll saw. I upgraded this from that from the one place. I'll link it in the description. But I'm able to use pinless blades. It gives a really nice even cut and allows me to make sharp turns. I can get all into these places. Some of my signs I make using my jigsaw, but the jigsaw cannot get inside of here. But my pinless blade, a pin blade would do a good job, but a pinless blade is even thinner and it does an excellent job because I can do all of these curves. So this is my name. Well, this is not my name, but this is the name that I made. Thank you for watching. This is my Harbor Freight 16-inch scroll saw that I upgraded to using a kit so that I can use pinned and pinless blades. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.